fingerprint ring. Let's turn off the crosshairs. You need to set a location on your computer where you have a black and white photo of your fingerprint. This is the location here that we're using. You have to find it on the exact location on your hard drive where the photo, black and white photo is. We're using vectorized photograph. This finger makes a vector drawing of the high points of the black and white lines on your fingerprint. You can use this vectorizing to make other types of rings as well. So we are using the geometry here, and we're using the photo surface, building a B-rep, and extruding the surface. In this particular case, there's the surface, and then we're going to use surface morph because we're morphing this surface onto the ring. There you go. So there's the photo surface, there's the photo frame. The photo surface. We're creating a B-rep of the whole surface, but we're only taking a small portion of it within that blue boundary box, which is here. We're taking a subsurface off the ring, and we're using it in the morph. Morph the geometry. This is the reference box. This is the surface that we're morphing it onto. The subsurface here, right here. And we have a domain, U, V, and W for height. And that's how we do it. So we're vectorizing a photograph. We're finding the location of the part of the photograph we want to use. Which is this part here in green. And then we are morphing it to the surface of the wedding band maker. Thank you for watching.